Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Yes, today, how many topic point you have prepared for?
Today, like yesterday's, whatever you said, na sir, technical. Then this for MSME UPSC that I have done, and all technical only today I focused.
UPSC, MSME, technical.
Technical only I was doing more because from last 2 3 days technical part was lagging behind. So today I did technical only, like we take M.Tech, PhD, whatever.
Today only technical.
हाँ सर, क्योंकि सर वो जो पूछ रहे हैं जैसे आज रिजल्ट लगा उसमें से 3 लोग एफएसएसआई के ऑलरेडी वर्किंग लोग हैं, जो एफएसएसआई में है एज ए टेक्निकल ऑफिसर और फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर, सेंट्रल फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर, जो आज ग्रेड 1 का रिजल्ट लगा।
या
वो
आपको कैसे पता?
मैक्सिमम पहचानती हूँ मैं सर।
अच्छा, आप उन्हें जानते हैं? आपके
हाँ,
इंस्टीट्यूट के हैं क्या वो?
मतलब जैसे जो 4th नंबर का है, वो मेरी फ्रेंड वहां जॉब करती है ना एफएसएसआई में, वो भी टीओ है, और जिसका हुआ वो भी टीओ है, तो कलीग्स है। तो ऐसे मतलब म्यूचुअल कनेक्शंस वाले सब है, तो किसी से तो भी पूछा तो वो वही है कि जो तुम्हारा वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है वो ज्यादा पूछ रहे हैं, पीएचडी में क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा पूछ रहे हैं, और
यस,
सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन एफएससी के आ रहे हैं।
यस, वही मैंने
वही
पहले
सर।
ही बोला हुआ है आपको, टेक्निकल पार्ट पे और ज्यादा हम फोकस कर रहे हैं। जैसे
हाँ
बीटेक हो गया, एमटेक हो गया, पीएचडी हो गया, आपका टेक्निकल पार्ट हो गया, एमएसएमई और यूपीएससी तो एक बेसिक हमें करना है बस। लेकिन मेन मेजर पॉइंट
हाँ,
एक
वही सर।
कैंडिडेट ने यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही कैंडिडेट ने इंटरव्यू दिया था ग्रेड 1 का, तो उनका हुआ नहीं है।
हाँ,
रिटन का अकॉर्डिंग होगा ना। आपने रिटन में अपना स्कोर चेक किया था, कितना हो रहा था? आपने क्वेश्चन रिटन का कुछ आइडिया है आपको?
नहीं सर।
क्योंकि रिटन का जो वेटेज है
मैंने
वो मेन मेजर पॉइंट है ना। अब आपके कितने क्वेश्चन
अ,
सही थे? आउट ऑफ 120 में कितने क्वेश्चन सही थे आप?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ चेक ही नहीं किया था, और क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर इतना हार्ड था
आठ?
कि मतलब ऐसा लगा कि क्या ही चेक करना।
नहीं, फिर भी आप चेक कर सकते थे अगर करना चाहते थे।
मेरे पास होगी ओएमआर शीट तो होगी, चेक कर सकते हैं।
पेपर मिला था
कर
ना?
लूंगी सर।
पेपर मिला था हार्ड कॉपी?
हाँ, पेपर की हार्ड कॉपी भी मिली थी, यस सर। ठीक है सर, देखती हूँ मैं। ऊपर 50-50 है ना सर वेटेज?
50 नहीं है, 75-25 है।
हम्म, अच्छा, ओके।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, वो अपने हिसाब से आप देखना उनको।
हम्म।
यस, लेट मी स्टार्ट। बेसिक इंट्रोड्यूस योर।
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr. Shweta Madhukar Devte. I'm from Nagpur. I did my basic schooling from Nagpur. I completed my graduation in food technology from University Department of Chemical Technology, Amravati University. Then I completed my a master's in food technology from from Rashtra Sant Tukaroji Maharaj Nagpur University in 2015. After that, I worked in a startup based on oranges. While working in a startup, I got opportunity to join for my PhD in NIFTAM Tanjavur. So, like during my PhD, I worked on production of instant foaming soluble coffee using spray freeze drying technique and nano patterning for the stabilization of coffee bubble. In 2021, I completed my PhD and I joined at Indian Institute of Millet Research, Hyderabad. Then in 2021, I got opportunity to join as a research associate at VNIT Nagpur. From 2021 to September 24, I was working as a research associate, and from September 24, I received DST Young Scientist fellowship. So presently, I'm working as a DST Young Scientist at Chemical Engineering Department, VNIT Nagpur.
Yes, good. Yes, today let's move on your technical part. Yes, food
Yes,
technology.
sir.
Yes, no. Yes, what the basic application of technology?
Like it is like for basic application is in the um, processing, preservation, then like to make raw material into the finished food product. There is a application like main application is to prepare food from farm to fork.
Next is what the beneficial point of food technology in our society and human being? Beneficial point.
It related to human diet, human health, and it like whatever the major nutrients required for our health for to prevent from the diseases, um, and also this food technology can empower the society through business models.
Yes. Next one is how many types of food technology? What the branches? Any classification?
Like many colleges used to offer only food technology. Some are offering food science and technology. Some are offering food engineering, food processing, food process engineering, food science and nutrition, food nutrition. Post harvest technology is also there.
Yes, first is food engineering. Yes,
Hmm.
what the basic application of food engineering?
Like if we, like it is like to prepare an equipments, like if you want to prepare any equipment for the food processing, so application of engineering concept like chemical, mechanical, thermodynamics, fluid flow, these comes under the like like these all are required to prepare an any food equipment. So their main food engineer plays a major role in designing these equipments.
Yes, what the basic difference? Mass transfer and heat transfer.
The main driving force of mass transfer is concentration, whereas the main driving force of heat transfer is the temperature. Like in heat transfer, heat is getting transferred from one substance to another, and in mass transfer, from like from one phase to another phase, the concentration used to vary.
Yes. Next is mechanical operation and mass transfer operation. What the difference?
Um, Mechanical operation means, sir, it includes size reduction, grinding, then separation, and the like this kind of techniques where we used to separate the material. Concentrate, we used to play with the concentration. Yeah, in mass transfer operations, like crystallization, um,
Diffusion. What is diffusion? Convection, conduction in food engineering.
conduction is the where heat transfer is happening between the solid particles. From heat transfer is from the one solid phase to another solid phase, like from flame to the pot. When we keep a hot water in a pot, So from the heating flame to the pot is conduction, whereas diffusion is in between molecules, whatever the this happening interaction is happening, mass is getting transferred between the molecule, is a diffusion.
Yes. Next is Flick law in food engineering, mass transfer. Do you have any
Fix
Flick law? Flick law.
fix law fix,
Yes.
fix law fix law of diffusion. The delta CA is equal to delta C, like concentration is directly proportional to the delta A upon delta T into X. This is proportional to the rate of mass transfer is directly proportional to the concentration gradient. This is fixed law. Hmm.
Yes, good. Next, move on food product technology. Yes, what the basic principle of food product technology?
Application of science, engineering principles, and whatever the techniques like processing, preservation, then packaging, we can apply for the development of particular product is is comes under the food product technology.
Food product. Yes, do you have any idea about the thermal processing, freezing, dehydration, addition, irradiation, fermentation process of food product technology? What's the meaning of these terms? Describe.
These all are the processing technologies used for the preparation of any particular food. So if it is like a dehydration, means whenever we want to remove the moisture from particular product, so we used to use various types of dryers, and the term it is termed as a dehydration, like where we will remove the moisture from the food. Then freezing is like um, below the vapor pressure of the liquid, when uh, um, if water become a ice, so at that time it reaches below its freezing point, like below 0 degrees Celsius, and vapor pressure will be lower at that particular time. That time freezing occurs. During freezing, various phenomenal changes used to occur, like nucleation, crystallization, like this. Then irradiation we used to use for the to kill, generally it is used for the potatoes, onions, like that, to kill the enzymes on the surface. It is also called as a cold sterilization, where lithium sometimes x-rays are also used for in during the irradiation. And lithium, one element is there that we used to use. Cobalt is used for the irradiation purpose. Cobalt 60. उसके बाद क्या पूछा था सर?
Fermentation.
Fermentation where we used to use the bacterial microbial strains like lactobacillus and Saccharomyces to convert the like for example lactose is converted into lactic acid with the help of lactobacillus in some microbes. This process is called as a fermentation where we use the beneficial bac- microbes.
Yes. Next is packaging materials. What the drawback of packaging material available in our market, Indian market? Drawback, limit,
Like
merit and demerit.
the biodegradability, like for example plastic, it can't be biodegradable, so it is making a huge waste, and it's we can't recycle it. So many packaging materials are like we can't able to recycle it, so like wastage is increasing because we are mostly using this packaging material from last one decade. So the waste also is increasing through these packaging materials. Then next drawback is microplastic. Like when it is going to oceans or the sea or the rivers, it will degrade into the smaller plastic molecules. So it will generate a microplastics. So it will come into back to the food chain. This is one thing. Then in environment if we see like it also um like it is responsible for the GHG greenhouse gas emissions, then ozone depletion also if we burn it, if we do incineration of these plastic materials, of this packaging material.
Next is oil processing. First of all, what the oil? What the difference between oil, diesel, CNG?
Oil, uh, oil is like there are crude oils and edible vegetable oils. So edible vegetable oil we used to get from the plant source, and one more is animal sources like fish oil, cod liver oil. So there are two sources, and then oil is there. That is this crude oil when we used to get where we like in deep sea level where we used to get, that is crude oil. Then from that crude oil when they used to do this biorefinery approach, they used to use for the making diesel, petrol, engine oil, fuel oil, like that. Regarding that I don't have an idea for that things. Regarding vegetable oil, fats I can.
Yes. Oil refinery. What is oil refinery? How many type of oil refinery working in India?
Mm, one I know, that is Reliance Oil Refinery. Then ONGC. Mm, these two only I know. And whereas in case of vegetable oils, when crude oil used to come from the, like when they will extract from the plant, like for example groundnut, when they used to extract that oil, so until it's refined, we used to tell a refined oil. So the raw oil used to come, then they used to do degumming, then they used to do the um the degumming, degumming, then neutralization, then uh, degumming, neutralization, uh, solventization, and then refined oil used to come with to us, where whatever the gums, like in soybean oil, lecithin will be present, so they used to remove by using the degumming process.
Yes. Next is fruit and vegetable product. What is fruit and vegetable product?
um, Fruits, like um, fruits, like vegetables means the green leafy and this kind of like whatever we used to consume as a fruits, we used to consume as a table fruit, and it is rich in antioxidant, whereas vegetables are rich in chlorophylls and um, सर ये definitions कर लूंगी.
Yes, fruit and vegetable product like so many tomato sauce, ketchup, potato chips, yes,
Hmm.
jam jelly,
Jam, jelly, marmalades,
yes, fruit juice.
sherbets, nectars.
Yes, can you describe of these terms?
Yes, sir. Like fruit jam, jelly, sherbet, marmalades are all are the, like it prepared from the fruit, and but its TSS content, its fruit content, and its sugar content used to vary, depend upon its consistency. Like for fruit juice, we have to use 15% of the original fruit juice. Then rest is the, like its TSS should be around 23 to 24. But if I want to prepare a jam, so I will use 25% of the fruit pulp, and its TSS will be 65 degree. Then for jellies, it should be a transparent. Jelly should be a transparent. So I will like use only juice, and I will make its bricks up to 67-degree bricks. So like that, it used to vary. Then for uh, this like tomato ketchup, tomato sauce. Here also the same, based upon the consistency, TSS used to vary, and like pickles, then nectars, then all these are all are the traditional food preservation techniques, where they used to prepare a jam kind of texture, and they used to dry it over a sun, and they will prepare a layer of the product, like it is a hard layered product.
Yes. Next, food flavor. What is food flavor and how many types of food flavor available in Indian market?
um food flavor is like um so of a flavoring component which used to give the enhancing aroma to the food. And there are synthetic and natural flavoring agents. Like in natural flavoring agents, there are some of the uh, aromatic components extracted from the flowers. They used to flowers they used to use as a natural flavoring agent, whereas the synthetic flavoring agents are like anatto. No, it is color. Sorry. Synthetic flavoring agents are like um um उनका ई से उनका नंबर आता है सर, E1 E1 2 2 E2 2 1 लाइक दैट। और उनका ये है मतलब जैसे कलर्स को सनसेट ग्रीन और ऐसे ये नंबर है, वैसे उनके नाम नाम है सर। तो वो देख लूंगी एक बार फ्लेवर्स।
यस, फूड फ्लेवर्स काफी नेम है। एंजाइम, को एंजाइम, बायो एंजाइम, नॉन एंजाइम।
हाँ हाँ। हम्म।
यस ना, टर्पीन्स, एस्टर, एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन।
अल्डिहाइड, यस यस, अल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स, एसिटाल्डिहाइड एंड ऑल, राइट।
यस। नेक्स्ट इज nutrition. What the basic difference nutrition and anti-nutrition?
The nutrition means the nutrients we generally while consume whatever the nutrients we used to get from the food, they are the what are beneficial for us, it is a nutrition. And whatever are like hard to digest and which will hinder our digestive tract, like trypsin, then uh, um, uh, solanine, then um, saponins are comes under the anti nutrients like phytates, which are present in cereals, pseudo cereals. Some pulses also has this kind of anti nutrients.
Yes. What is carbohydrate? What the basic application of carbohydrate?
Carbohydrates are the majorly it is a starch. It is if it gives an instant source of energy when we consume. It gives for like 1 calorie of carbohydrate gives 4 kilo, 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories to us. And it is all sugar, cellulose, hemicellulose are comes under the carbohydrates, and it is a source of energy.
Yes, what is protein? What the basic classification of protein?
Proteins are the building blocks of the body, and it contains an amino acid chains. It is a primary protein. Secondary, the classification is like primary protein, secondary protein, tertiary protein. Primary proteins are like like in single chain. It won't have a folds in that, like simple amino acid structure, amino acid chain. Whereas secondary means it will be having a folding structure. And in tertiary and quaternary, there will be a like DNA structure, like completely a helix kind of structure is like um, um, tertiary and quaternary proteins. Based on their mm, nitrogen and sulfur containing amino acids, they are also classified as like globulins, albumins, um, albumin, then one S, two S, like that. Further, also they are classified based on their sulfur containing amino acids. Then like this.
Yes. May I see lipid? What the classification of lipid? What is lipid and how many type of lipid? Basic.
Lipids are like lipids are fats and oil. If they are solid at room temperature, they are fat, or liquid at room temperature, they are oil. Then lipids are like um, n- neutral lipids, phospholipid, um, sulfur containing also fatty acids are there. In lipids, there are essential fatty acid, non-essential fatty acids. In lipids, mostly we used to focus on omega 3 and omega 6 and omega 9, which are good for our heart health and cholesterol level. Then alpha lipids are also there. Siphonolipids are there. Mm, is there.
Yes, good. Next is polymer. What is polymer? How many type of polymer?
Polymers are like if we see the biopolymer like cellulose or chitosan, so it is a long chain of carbohydrate. Long chain of starch is called as a polymer. Well, the number of it is a branched and simple. So this is like cellulose is a branch chain polymer, and in like these are the natural polymers, and whereas this poly PVA, then mm, the whatever used in the packaging material, isovinyl chloride, like this comes under the polymer. Synthetic polymers and natural polymers.
Okay, nylon
Let
6.
me look. This nylon 6 nylon 6. Then these are synthetic polymers.
Yes, what the main role of polymer in food technology, food industry?
For packaging, in packaging material, they used to use they because of their strength and good holding properties and good mechanical and physical barrier properties.
Yes. Next is what is amino acid and how many types of amino acid? And first of all, what the main role
Amino,
of amino acid in human body?
amino acids, like proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acid plays a very important role for the synthesis of DNA. Then there are two types of amino acid: essential, non-essential. Total 23 amino acids. Then in essential, like lysine, methionine, lysine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, arginine. This comes under the essential category of uh, amino acids. And in non-essential, uh, so it is there. Like essential, I remember. Non-essential, I will learn one more.
Yes. What is valence?
Lysine, you,
Yes, sir.
what, sir?
Yes, how many types of amino acid?
23, 22, 23.
Yes,
22,
acid
only
and base.
22.
Yes, 20 amino acid. Which one is acid and base?
What, sir? I'm not able to hear you.
Types of amino acid. Do you have any idea?
Types of amino acids. Some are sulfur linked amino acid. Some is having like alpha helix in their chain. Then mm, amino acids. That one is
Yes, alanine amino acids are arginine, aspartate,
huh.
bromine, cysteine,
Yes,
glutamine, glycine.
this non-essential.
Yes, essential and non-essential.
Hmm.
Yes, essential amino acid, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine,
Nine
tryptophan, valine. Yes,
proton value. Yes.
non-essential align, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine. Non-essential.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
The next one is what is balanced diet? How much calorie required for human life, male and female, in a day?
Uh, 20 to 100 kilocalories are required for the per day for the per day consumption. It is based on like your sedentary lifestyle, your like heavy work style, and moderate lifestyle. So based on like 1800 to 2200, we used to like calories are required for lactating mothers and pregnant women. It is 2400 kilocalories.
Yes.
Then balanced diet means it should be like proteins 0.9 gram per kg of body weight. Then carbohydrates like it should meet the calorie requirement. Then fat should be there. Then this your like some chutneys or something should be there. Like it should be like complete balanced food where you can get all the macro as well as micronutrients.
Yes. Yeah, next is vitamin. What is vitamin? How many type of vitamin?
Vitamins are vital amines and vitamins are fat soluble, water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble. Vitamin B complex and C are water soluble. Then vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B9, B12, like that. So niacin, niacin, then B12 is cyanocobalamin, B9 is folic acid, B B6 is B5 is pantothenic acid, B6 is folic acid, B9 is like niacin. Sorry, I will remember. Vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Vitamin D is calciferol. Vitamin E is uh, uh, um, that name is
Yes, what the main basic role of vitamin in human body?
transport mechanism. For the transport and the absorption of the minerals, like if we have like if I want to like if that like sunlight is there, sunlight, vitamin D3 will get absorbed, like calcium, for calcium like it is like mineral absorption, like main role, like for transportation of various um, nutrients, it play a role.
Yes. Yes, good. Today is good work from your side. Next day we will also discuss in the left part of technical part. Yes, no. Major point of
Yes, sir.
technical sections from your
Sir,
side and my side.
sir, this FSSI especially, sir.
Yes,